My name is Dr. Wakar. I'm working as a cardiologist. I just want to tell you something about oil. Which oil you can use for the cooking? Because all the oils are not good for your health. It causes the increase in the cholesterol levels. There are three, four types of cholesterol. All can go up, or one of them can go up. Any of the cholesterol levels, if it rises, it can be dangerous for your health. So should be very considerate which oil. Not all the vegetable oils are good. Only few you can utilize. Like you should avoid taking this ghee or desi ghee, something like that, or you can avoid taking all the cooking oils. Only best oil which you can use is the sunflower oil, corn oil, or olive oil. So you can use mustard oil as well, but in the form of canola oil or essential mustard oil. Not the purest cold pressed mustard oil cannot be used for the cooking. Only one of the type of the mustard oil seed can be utilized for cooking, which contains low quantity of uric acid oil, which is dangerous for the heart. So you should add such types of oil in your cooking to avoid the cholesterol levels being high, and which will later on leads to the deposition of cholesterol and lipids inside the all the arteries of the body. All the cardiovascular tree will be affected, and your different organs can be get affected. So avoid this such type of cholesterol and high diet, high cholesterol diets, so that you can avoid such diseases. This is very much important to do the brisk walk as well, and take care of your heart, your liver, your brain, your eyes, your kidney, all the things. It is important. For the detailed videos on mustard oil or desi ghee and other fatty livers and cholesterol levels, you can have watch our other videos. You should subscribe our channel so that we can post you the latest information, guidelines, and latest knowledge about the different health issues. Thank you very much.